So now here in this topic we have to see the ear of elephant. Ears are one of the most important sense organ in animals. Size and shape of the ears are vary greatly from one animal to another animal. That we studied about an ear of rabbit or ear of African elephant and ear of Asian elephant keep them cooler, or African animals keep them warm. Apart from hearing, animals use their ear for a various their purpose. Already we studied. But here to see the ear of elephant, they have to triangular ear. That we have to see in this slide. See, an elephant has a huge ear. See, this is a shape of the ears of animals. See, this is a triangular shape. Triangular shape of an animal. Here it can be seen clearly an elephant has a huge ear. Okay. So according to this face here we have to see the triangular. Start from here. Okay. This is a triangular shape of an animal. The size of an elephant ear tells us about the place or region. Okay, already we studied in a previous video. Asia is comparatively a cooler region, then therefore Asian elephant have a smaller ear and African elephant having a big ear. See, this is a Asian elephant and African elephant. See, this is the difference between a Asian elephant and African elephant. See the picture properly. Is a African elephant having a big ear and Asian elephant having a small ear. Big ears help them to protect themselves from heat, release the heat and keep their body cool. Next, see, this is the ear of rabbit. This is the ear of rabbit. Rabbit are a small pink animal. Their long ears warn them of a danger by catching the sound waves and pressing them into the inner ear. Okay, inside. This is the long ear of a rabbit. Already I explained in previous video. Ears of birds. Now our today's topic. Okay, or our next topic, that is ears of bird. Bird do not have a external. Bird do not have a external visible ear like human beings. ओके, ये आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में है. आपको टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करना है. दिस पैराग्राफ इज देयर इन अ टेक्स्ट बुक. ईयर होल. सी एंड कॉकरोचेस. COCKATOO. Cockroach is a one type of small ear. Okay, hole it's located. So there are a small opening on the both side of the skull. Skull means animals, birds का जो head होता है और head के नजदीक hole like structure होता है. Okay, that is called ear hole. So birds do not having a visible ear like a human. उनकी बॉडी के ऊपर आउटसाइड ईयर आपको देखने नहीं मिलेंगे. बट उनका जो स्कल मीन्स खोपड़ी होती है हेड के बाजू में, वहाँ पे एक ईयर होल होता है और वो होल थ्रू बर्ड्स वाइब्रेशन थ्रू साउंड को कैप्चर करते हैं. ओके, बोथ द साइड ऑफ द स्कल. ये जो बर्ड्स की स्कल है तो ईयर होल यहाँ पे और यहाँ पे लोकेटेड है. द स्मॉल ओपनिंग are the ears of a bird. They are hidden and protected by feathers. Birds का जो feathers है अपनी skin के ऊपर, वो feathers के अंदर एक hidden छुपा हुआ hole है that is called ear hole, and it cannot seen because it is hidden inside the feathers. That is why it is not visible out of the body of the birds. Clear it? Now, ear of owl. Pay your attention. Ear of owl. So, ear of owl. Since owl are active at night, owl never come at daytime, but owl eyes is visible properly. The things surrounded, the atmosphere surrounded, the trees, because owls when sit on the trees sit at night, okay, on the branches of trees. So owl are active at night, visible at night. owl दिन में नहीं देखता है, वो रात को properly देख सकता है. They have a well developed hearing system, and owl ears are located on the side of its head. Okay, side of its head. देखो ये owl का जो हेड है, ओके, और हेड के दोनों साइड पे, बिकॉज owl कैन मूव मूव आइज ऑन 4 डिरेक्शन. आउल का जो आइज है वो चारों डिरेक्शन में वो ऐसे देख सकता है, ऑन द साइड. ओके, और आउल ईयर्स आर लोकेटेड ऑन द साइड ऑफ इट्स हेड. ओके, ये यहाँ पे है और एक पीछे की तरफ है. ओके, बिहाइंड इट्स आइज दे आर कवर्ड बाय द फेदर्स of the facial disc. What is the meaning of facial disc? Okay, side of the 4 side. चारों तरफ वो जैसे सीढ़ी होती है, डिस्क होती है, ऐसे उनका जो फेस है वो स्ट्रेट रहता है, बट साइड ऑफ द आईज आर रोटेट of the 4 side. That is called look like a disc. They are covered by the feathers of the facial disc in most owls, and one ear is higher than the other. Okay, one ear is higher than the others. So both the ears are capturing the sound located behind the face. Now, here we have to see so the ears is look like a facial disc in most owl. One ear is higher than the other. It helps them in picking up the sound very accurately. Underline the spelling of accurately. Okay, and picking the higher sound. Accurately means correct sound. It's recognized by the owl. Okay, that is called accurately. Totally correct sound is recognized by the owl. That is called accurately. Perfect. Okay, perfect, surely, accurately. Now, ears of insect. Ears of insect. यहाँ पे मैं आपको insect के ear PPT में बताती हूँ. पहले हम यहाँ पे देख लेते हैं. Okay. Ears. Insect do not have ears. Insect do not have ears. Sound are just vibration. Okay. Vibration means to be stinking. जब भी आप गिटार बजाते हो या आप जो रबर बैंड है वो रबर बैंड के आप वाइब्रेटिंग करते हो, और when you have to strike this rubber band with pencil or with a stick, so it can be vibrating, start shaking. Okay, that is called vibration. Underline the spelling of vibration in air for them. Most insect pick up this vibration in air. Most insect, all the insect do not have external ear. Insect do not have ear. So how they can capture the sound from the enemies? How they can listen the sound of the object? So what happened over here? The sound are just vibration in the air for them. Most insect pick up this vibration in the air with the help of their bodies. Okay, frog, insect, chameleon, earthworms, cockroaches, mosquitoes, this all insects are capture the sound, listen the sound by the vibrating of air. Some insects use their antenna. Underline the spelling of antenna. जो cockroaches होता है, cockroaches के हेड के ऊपर हेयर लाइक स्ट्रक्चर होता है. टू antennas are there, two hairy structures are there, that is called antenna. What it is called? Antenna. Two organ in their stomach. उनके स्टमक में होते. Antenna to pick up the vibration around them. So when the vibrations of any enemies are there, so cockroaches are hidden into the pipe, hidden into the kitchen pipes, in the gutter, okay, because they are living in a dirty place. So they catch their sound from the vibrating air. Cicadas, it's a name of insect. Pay your attention. Cicadas. Cicadas have their hearing organ in their stomach. तो cicadas का hearing organ कहाँ पे है? Stomach. Now crickets have their hearing organ in their knees, because cricket is also a one type of insect. Now here we have to see this type of ears is there in a birds through a PPT.